Hey there, food enthusiast. Welcome back to Mr. D F&B Trainer YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic that can boost profit for your restaurant or food business. Menu engineering. Don't worry, we will break it down in simple terms, so stay tuned. What is exactly menu engineering? Well, think of it as the science of designing your menu to maximize profit. It is about strategically arranging and pricing your dishes to influence customers' choice and ultimately increase your bottom line. The three menu engineering strategies. There are three key strategies in menu engineering. We call it number 1 stars, number 2 flow horses, number 3 fossils. Let's dive into a deep. What is all about stars? These are your high profit popular items. They are the stars of your menu, and you want to showcase them prominently. They often have a low food cost and higher selling price. What is flow horses? Flow horses are dependable, steady performers. They might not have the highest profit margin, but they sell well. Place them strategically to balance your menu. What is puzzles? Why we call it puzzles? These are items that don't sell well and have low profit margin. You can consider improving or removing them from your menu to save on cost. Now, let's discuss about designing your menu. When it comes to designing your menu, consider following three areas without fail. Number 1, layout. Number 2, pricing. Number 3, description. Let's go deep into these three categories. What is layout? Use eye-catching design elements such as images and font styles, but keep it clean and easy to read. Highlight your star items with special formatting. Number 2, pricing. Let's discuss. Use psychological pricing strategies like ending price with 99 or grouping item in price tiers. Be sure to price your star items competitively. Pricing is how much your charges for a product or service. It's like deciding how much money someone needs to give you in exchanging for what you're offering, or how much money people needs to pay for your offerings or for your products. When you set a price, you consider several things, basically 4 major elements: cost, profit, competition, value. Why we consider those 4 elements? Let's have a clear idea about these 4 categories. What is all about cost? You think about how much it costs you to make or provide the product or service. This includes material, labor, and other expenses. Now let's move into a profit. You want to make some extra money on top of your cost. This extra money is your profit, and it is what keeps your business running. That's what we call profit. Now let's discuss competition. You also look at what similar products or services are being sold for by other businesses. You don't want to charge way more or way less than them. This is what we call competition. Always you need to look your similar competitors, what they're selling, what they're offering, and what is their competitive selling prices. This is where you arrange your menu in order to stay this competitive market. Last, value. What is all about value? Think about how much value your product or service provides to your customers. It is very valuable to them. You might be able to charge a bit more with the environment that you provide. So pricing is like figuring out how much your staff is worth and how much people are willing to pay for it, while still covering your cost and making some extra money. This is what we call value into what people are paying. Let's discuss about description or menu description. Craft compelling menu description that make your dishes sound irresistible. People eat with their eyes first, so words matters. Consider when you're creating your menu or when you're developing your menu description can make things different. Your menu description with the mouth-watering words will make huge different impact into your daily revenues. So therefore consider when you are developing a menu, you must consider your menu description. Okay, let's have a look why we need to collect data or collecting data. Collecting data to optimize your menu effectively. You will need data. Keep track of what you're selling, monitor customer feedback, and analyze your cost. This information will help you make informed decisions. This is where collecting data is very important for food and beverage business. Before we end up the video, let's discuss updating your menu, how it works. Don't be afraid to update your menu regularly. Rotate your dishes, introduce seasonal specials, and tweak price based on what's working. Menu engineering is an ongoing process. Conclusion, and there you have it, menu engineering in a nutshell. It's about strategically designing your menu to boost profits by highlighting star items, balancing with flow horses, and managing fuzzles. Remember to collect data, stay creative with your menu design, and keep it fresh. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on improving your food businesses. Share your menu engineering success stories or questions in the comment below. Until next time, happy menu engineering and bon appetit. Okay, thank you for joining Mr. D F&B Trainer YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe us. Give us a thumbs up over with your valuable comment down there. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Thank you for watching.